Next we are discussing length of sides of a pedal triangle. Okay, so we are finding sides. Okay, so first we are finding EF. Okay, first we are finding EF. Similarly we can find out other side also. Okay, so for finding EF, what you will do, see, you see this triangle ABE, triangle ABE. This angle is what? 90 minus A. Then, and this side is what? C. So what is AE? Okay, we are finding first AE. Okay, so this is what hypotenuse and this is what perpendicular. So we are using sine formula. So sine of 90 minus A, sine of 90 minus A is what? AE divided by AB. AB is what? C. So what will come? C. So AE equal to what? C cos A. Okay, this is what? AE equal to what? C cos A. Similarly this one. Okay, so this will got C cos A. Similarly this will come what? This side is what? B. So this will come what? B cos A. Okay, so AF equal to what? B cos A. AF equal to what? B cos A. Okay, and this is what? Angle A. So we want EF. Okay, so here we are using cos formula. Okay, so what is cos A? Okay, we are taking triangle AFE. AFE. In triangle AF is what? Cos A. Cos A equal to what? AF square plus AE square minus EF square. This we have to find out. Divide by 2 into AE into AF. This will come. Okay, so cos A as it is equal to AF square. So AF is what? AF is this one, B cos A. So what will come? B square cos square A plus A is what? A is what? This one, C square cos square A minus EF whole square as it is, divided by 2 times AE into AF. Okay, so A is what? This one, C cos A and into B cos A. So C cos A into B cos A. Just we are multiplying. So this will come what? See here, 2 into B into C cos cube A. We are multiplying 2 into BC into cos square A here. So we'll get 2 BC cos cube A equal to B square cos square A plus C square cos square A minus EF square. This will come. So EF square we can take this side. So EF square is this side. Okay, and this one we are taking this side. So what will come? B square cos square A plus C square cos square A minus 2BC cos cube A. This will come. Okay, so from here EF square equal to, here we are taking cos square A common. So cos square is common. What will come? B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. This will come. So what is B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A? This we have to find out. Okay, so if we take triangle ABC, triangle ABC, so cos A equal to what? If you take full triangle, so what will come? B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. So if you multiply 2BC, what will come? 2BC cos A equal to B square plus C square minus A square. तो यहाँ से A square क्या आ जाएगा? B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. This will come. Okay, that means B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A we can write as what? A square. So EF square what will come? EF square equal to cos square A, and this is nothing but what? A square. So EF equal to what? A cos A. This will come because side C is always positive. So EF equal to what? A cos A. Okay. So EF equal to what? We want EF. So EF is what? This side into cos of this angle. So what will come? A cos A. Similarly, if you want to find out DF. So DF is what? This side is what? B into cos of this angle. So what will come? B into cos of B. Similarly, D. So D is nothing but what? This side. This is C into cos of this angle. What will come? C into cos of capital C. This is small c. This is sides. Okay, these are the sides of parallel triangle.